Hello everyone and welcome to Frema Language. I'm very happy to have you here today. If you are learning English and you want to speak more confidently in daily life, this video is perfect for you. And in today's lesson, you will learn 50 useful English sentences for daily conversation.
These sentences are easy, practical, and used every day at home, at work, and with friends. If you are A1 or B1 level, don't worry.
If you feel shy or afraid to speak, this lesson will help you. And if you want to improve your English step by step, stay with me until the end. Before we start, please subscribe to Frema Language, like this video, comment below, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps us create more useful English lessons for you. All right, let's get started. Let's begin with the first sentence. Good morning. How are you today? This is a polite way to greet someone in the morning. Let's move to the second sentence. I'm doing well, thank you. And you? Use this to reply politely when someone asks how you are. Now, here comes another common sentence. Nice to meet you. You say this when you meet someone for the first time. Let's continue with the next one. What's your name? A simple question to ask someone's name. Let's go to sentence number 5. My name is Alex. Use this to introduce yourself. You can change the name. Now, let's move forward. Where are you from? This is very common in daily conversations. Here is the next sentence. I'm from Canada. You can change the country to your own.
Let's continue. What do you do? This means, what is your job?
Moving on. I work as a teacher. You can replace the job with your own. And let's go to the next sentence. How old are you? This is a simple and common question. Let's continue with sentence number 11. Can you help me, please? Use this when you need help. Here's another polite one. Thank you so much. Use this to show appreciation. Let's move ahead. You're welcome. Say this after someone thanks you. Next sentence. Excuse me. Use this to get attention or be polite. Let's continue naturally. I'm sorry. Say this when you make a mistake. Moving forward, no problem. This means everything is okay. Let's go to the next one. Could you repeat that, please? Use this when you don't understand. Now, another useful sentence. I don't understand. Very important for English learners. Let's continue. Can you speak more slowly? Perfect when someone speaks too fast. Next sentence. Darwa renew rower. Next sentence. That sounds good. Use this to agree. Let's move to sentence number 21. What time is it? Ask this when you want to know the time. Here comes another one. It's 9 o'clock. A simple time answer. Let's continue. I'm busy right now. Use this when you are working. Moving on. I'm free today. Say this when you have time. Let's go ahead. Let's meet later. Good for making plans. Let's continue with the next group. What would you like to eat? Common at home or restaurants? Next sentence. I'd like a coffee, please. Polite and very useful. Let's move on. How much is this? Use this when shopping. Next one. That's too expensive. Good for shopping conversations. Let's continue. Do you have this in another size? Very useful in stores. Let's move to the next part. I like it. Simple way to share your opinion. Next sentence. I don't like it. Honest and clear. Let's continue. I'm tired today. Very common sentence. Moving on. I'm happy to hear that. Use this to show kindness. Next one. That's interesting. Good for conversations. Let's continue with sentence 36. What are you doing? Ask this casually. Next sentence. I'm just relaxing. A natural answer. Moving forward. Do you have any plans today? Good for daily talk. Let's go ahead. Maybe next time. Polite way to say no. Almost there. Keep going. I agree with you. Use this when you agree. Let's move to the final 10 sentences. I think so too. Another way to agree. Next one. Let me think about it. Useful when you need time. Continuing. That's a good idea. Positive response. Next sentence. I'm not sure. Honest and common. Let's continue. Can we talk later? Useful in busy moments. Almost done. See you later. Friendly goodbye. Next. Have a nice day. Very polite ending. Keep going. Take care. Warm and friendly. Second to last. Good luck. Encouraging sentence. And finally, see you next time. Perfect way to end a conversation. Great job. You just learned useful English sentences for daily conversation. Now, here's your task. Pause the video, repeat each sentence out loud, use them in your daily life. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Frema Language, like the video.
Comment below your favorite sentence. Share this video with other English learners.
Thank you so much for watching, and keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Frema Language.